Hey guys, so this is how you replace a cornering light on a Volkswagen Scirocco. So to start off with, you got these clips at the top. You want to undo those clips that hold the control unit on. Then grab a hold of that bulb with the plug still on. Just pull that off. It is just clipped in place. And then separate the bulb from the plug. Grab your new bulb, stick that in. The notch of the bulb faces the top of the headlight. Just push that back in, just clips straight back in. Then grab that control unit. You got two notches that locate onto the headlamp. Make sure you push them in first. Feed it up to the headlamp and that clip just folds straight over and then clips onto that control unit. And that's all. As always, don't forget to leave a like on the video if it's helped you out, and also subscribe.